Ever feel like you're stuck in a never-ending financial maze? Like you're caught in a challenging labyrinth of monetary troubles, constantly battling with the complexities of money management? Like you're ceaselessly juggling bills, each one an unpredictable gesture ball, always ready to throw you off balance and disrupt your perfectly set rhythm? Imagine the bills as a relentless cascade of obligations that you're attempting to keep in the air. A daunting circus act where the steady drumbeat of accumulating expenses never seems to pause. Then there's the dodging of debt, a formidable adversary in this exhausting game of financial survival. A stealthy predator that lurks in the shadows of your finances, always ready to leap at the slightest misstep. Even when you feel like you're finally gaining control, venturing deeper into the labyrinth, you find yourself tripping over unexpected expenses. These are the financial tripwires hidden in the shadows, disguised as regular stones. They are the surprises that catch you off guard, turning thee into a treacherous obstacle course. You're constantly on your toes, navigating through the twists and turns, striving to keep your balance amidst the turmoil. This daunting financial maze can often feel like an inscrutable game, one where the rules seem to shift and transform with every passing turn. It's an unpredictable adventure, where the ground beneath you morphs without leaving you scrambling for stability. A bewildering journey where each corner hides a new challenge. Each decision can lead to a dead end, and the exit always seems just out of reach. But what if you could find your way out of the maze? What if the labyrinth was not as complex as it seems, and the path to financial freedom is right within your reach? Introducing financial planning, your personal map to financial freedom. It's similar to having your own personalized financial GPS system. Just like you wouldn't embark on an uncharted journey without a roadmap, the same principle applies to the realm of financial planning. It's fundamentally about comprehending your current fiscal position and methodically mapping out a trajectory for your financial future. Now I want you to visualize the multitude of benefits that come with diligent financial planning. The first advantage is gaining clarity and direction. Financial planning as a comprehensive tool that helps you dissect and understand your income and expenses in a more profound way. It's used to establish practical and achievable financial targets. It's akin to illuminating a darkened room with a powerful beam of light, bringing everything into sharp focus. Moreover, financial planning provides a structured pathway to manage your debt strategically, similar to a seasoned chess player contemplating each move with care and precision. Navigating through financial complexities can often feel like a labyrinth. However, with sound planning, you can successfully tackle your debt, taking into account various factors such as interest rates, repayment periods, and more. The third benefit is wealth creation. Through meticulous planning of your investments and prudent savings, you can gradually accumulate wealth that will help fulfill your long-term goals and aspirations. Think of it as planting a seed, nurturing it over time until it grows into a mighty tree. Financial planning is that nurturing process that enables your wealth grow and flourish over time. This brings us to the final, and arguably the significant benefit: reduce stress. There's an undeniable sense of tranquility that stems from the knowledge that you are in control of your finances. Imagine a life wherein money serves as a tool, a resource to help achieve your dreams rather than a perpetual source of stress and worry. Furthermore, financial planning introduces you to a world of financial literacy. You understand market trends, investment opportunities, and various financial instruments. It equips you with the knowledge to make informed decisions, reducing the chances of financial missteps. In essence, financial planning is not just about managing your money. It's about leveraging it to create a future that aligns with your life's vision. It's about cultivating independence and paving your way toward a comfortable retirement. About creating security for your loved ones, ensuring that their futures are secure. It's about building your legacy. When you engage in effective financial planning, you're not just planning for your future, you're shaping it. You're taking the reins of your destiny into your own hands, creating a roadmap to the life you've always imagined. So are you ready to embark on this exciting journey of financial planning? Imagine a life where money is a tool, not a source of stress. Ready to escape the financial maze? Now's the time to break free from the chains of financial uncertainty. Embarking on this journey, the first stride is always the most important one. Begin by constructing a comprehensive financial plan. Evaluate your income structure, dissect your expenditure, and create financial objectives that are reasonable, practical, and within your grasp. In a world where information is at our fingertips, an abundance of resources lies within the vast digital landscape, into books, blogs, webinars, podcasts, and online courses focused on financial planning and money management. Harness this information, learn from it, and use it as a tool to navigate through your financial journey. If you need more personalized guidance, you can always look towards hiring financial advisors. These professionals have years of experience and can provide you strategies tailored to your specific needs. Their expertise can aid you in making informed decisions about investments, savings, and debt management. Remember, every great journey starts with a single, determined step. This is your chance to rise above financial confusion, to take command of your monetary situation. Today is the day to start making strategic financial decisions. Start thinking about your future and the financial comfort you want in it. With every decision you make, with every step you take, you are creating a path for yourself. This path could either lead you to financial independence or keep you stuck in the maze of financial instability. The choice is yours. Choose wisely. Your path to financial freedom starts now.